Today we are going to solve the standard 4 lesson number 2, the interrelationship between living things exercise. Let's see the first question. What's the solution? Gurupreet has to play a kho match on a summer afternoon. She needs to be told what to do to protect herself from the heat. The answer of this question is Gurupreet should wear cotton clothes to keep her body cool. She has to play in the sun, therefore she should have enough water with her. She should have breakfast and enough liquid such as sherbet or cold water. She should not play on empty stomach. She can wear a cap to protect herself from the sun. Question B. Think and tell. The first question. If it rains heavily for 2 or 3 days, water collects in fields. The crops growing there rot. Why? The answer is the root of the crops which are standing in the waterlogged soil starts rotting. As the root rot, slowly the plants also rots. The grains which are developing on the crops may fall off due to the strong rain and wind. Due to this, the rotting becomes more rapid. In this way, the heavy rain causes great damage to standing crop. Question 2. Why do we not get a good crop if we do not get good rains? The answer is the crop needs regular water for its growth. If it rains less, the crops may not get enough water. The sapling may not grow vigorously due to lack of water. Most of our crops are dependent only on rainwater. So, if we do not get good rains, we do not get good crops too. Question 3. Why does the Indian rat snake Daman live around fields? The answer is rat snake is non-poisonous and big in size. It feeds on field rats. Near the fields, the rats come in search of grains. The rat snake in turn comes in search of rats as rat is its favorite food. Question 4. If there are furry animals living in snowy regions, would their coats be thick or sparse? The answer is the furry animals living in snowy regions will have thick fur coats on their bodies. They need warmth which is provided through their thick fur. Let's see question C. Find out. Question first. Which fruits from the following places in Maharashtra famous for? A. Nagpur is famous for oranges. B. Gaul famous for sapota or chiku. C. Saswad is famous for figs. D. Devgad is famous for mangoes. E. Jalgaon is famous for bananas. Question D. Answer the following questions. Question first. How are plants useful to us? The answer is the plants gives us food, grains, vegetables, flowers, etc. Plants also provide us with fibers like cotton wool. We can make clothes from these plant fibers. Plant gives us oxygen. They also provide materials like wood to us for making our shelter. Question number 2. What is meant by arboreal animals? The words arboreal means those living in trees. Arboreal animals are those animals that live in the trees and feed on the fruits or insects therein. Arboreal animals take support of the trees to live, such as monkeys, squirrels are arboreal animals. Question 3. What changes do we see in trees at the beginning of March? The answer is in the beginning of March there is a change in the season from winter to summer. Therefore, many trees are seen with new leaves. Forest trees take up copper color because new and tender leaves look reddish and shiny. These are the changes that occur in trees as the weather start becoming warmer. Question E. Fill in the blanks. First, after fill in the blanks, winter comes again. The answer is rainy season. Second, we keep animals because animals meet some of our fill in the blanks. The answer is needs. The third is we spray fill in the blanks to prevent insects from attacking plants. The answer is insecticides. The fourth is winter is also known as the season of fill in the blanks. The answer is Pangal. Thanks for watching video and don't forget to share, subscribe and like.